Explain compound indexing. Compound indexing is basically compound movements of indexing crank and then plate along with crank. It overcomes the limitations of simple indexing. With help of compound indexing, we can have no more than 50 turns. In this case, indexing plate is normally held stationary by a lock pin. First, we rotate the indexing crank through a required number of holes in a selected hole circle, then crank is fixed through pin. It is followed by another movement by disengaging the rear lock pin. The indexing plate, along with indexing crank, is rotated in forward or backward direction through predetermined holes in a selected hole circle, then lock pin is re-engaged. Related terms are